Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the voice of my heart. What is the beat? What is the rhythm? What are the contents of your heart saying? The lyrics. You've come into this world by yourself. You're going to leave that way. You've come with a unique story and talents. Use that. Leave your footprint, leave your bookprint, leave your brain print, your fingerprint on this earth by making sure you walk within your light and your power. That's what makes you unique. So listen to your voice of your heart and be original. You'll be happy on what places that it takes you and the success that you actually bring to yourself. I silence the fear in me and discover the voice of my heart. The fruits of these words guides me, and I trust the song of my soul. My intuition leads me onto the path of light. You understand that you're different. Embrace your difference. And the world will acknowledge you for that and love you for that, because I need you and the world needs you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.